Feeling alone, kinda misty.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys another home decor video, especially this one because it is based around the holidays. Since I'm feeling so inspired to redecorate, especially for the holidays, and we got a new rug, that I thought it'd be a great idea just to show you guys some few things that I did to upgrade the family room. This is where we spend most of our time because it's connected right to the kitchen. Forgot to tell you guys, I am gonna be uploading another decorate with me video, but for the other living room, that one is gonna be gold and rose gold with a little bit of hints of red in between themed. So keep a lookout for that one if you are looking for ideas outside of an all white Christmas. I like to switch up my decor every season. I just have so much fun with it. For our family room this year, I actually decided to do a winter wonderland because it's an easy color palette with an abundance of decor options at my favorite stores. I'm starting out with some new fresh pillows in white from Z Gallery. I always like to mix texture, prints, fonts in all of my pillows for variety. These are large, have a lot of fuzzy texture, and they're in a solid color, which is a perfect starting point. Next, I add a medium-sized pillow with texture also, but this time it has a really nice pattern for contrast. And lastly, I'm bringing in a smaller accent pillow with font to bring in the holiday spirit. I also love implementing cozy throw blankets where the dogs, my family, and I could just cuddle up by the fire. In the formal living room, which I will be sharing with you guys in another video, we do have a more traditional Christmas tree, so we decided to use the one that we bought last year, which is from Costco. It's really nice because the lights also flicker, and it just goes perfectly with this winter wonderland theme. And now it's time to decorate the coffee table. I'm starting off with a tray that I had for a few years now. This one is from Home Goods. And then all the really neat decorations that I'm adding to the inside of it are all from World Market. I'm also adding some white flowers that I've had around the house just to add some flowers to the coffee table because that's definitely a must-have for me. And then I'm going to decorate the little Christmas tree that we have here with some spheres, all with the color palette of silver and white. So that makes it super, super easy to decorate because like I said, there's just an abundance of it. And here's the final look. You can see my house is super cozy, super comfortable, exactly the feeling that I was going for when it comes to the family room, having that we spend a lot of time here, and I really wanted to have a place where we can feel the holiday spirit, be super comfortable by the fire, watch movies, and just hang out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to also share it and give it a like. And with that being said, have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!